Creating a professional ad video used to feel impossible without expensive gear, complex software, or a full creative team. You spend hours trying to design scenes, build a solid workflow, and get the visuals to actually look polished. Yet the final result still falls short. The process is slow, overwhelming, and honestly frustrating, especially when you just want a clean, cinematic commercial that looks professional. But things have changed. In this tutorial, I'll show you how a new AI agent can take a single prompt and instantly build a complete commercial-style video workflow for you. No technical skills, no complicated editing, just one sentence and the agent generates images, connects your motion nodes, and produces a polished ad clip ready to use. This is the fastest way to create high-quality product commercials, and once you see how it works, you'll never build content the old way again. Before we start, check out this commercial I created using this exact AI agent.
Zeev, tailored for those who lead.
YouArt AI introduces a completely new way to create. It is the first agentic creative workflow platform that allows anyone to generate complex workflows, high-quality videos, and polished visual content using simple, natural language prompts. The platform is powered by advanced image and video generation models such as SORA 2 Pro, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.0, VO 3.1, Hailuo 2.0, YouArt 1.3, Kling AI, and many others, which makes the outputs incredibly sharp, cinematic, and professional. With these powerful models working behind the scenes, you can produce story sequences, TV-style commercials, e-commerce product videos, concept visuals, brand ads, and many more creative formats without needing deep editing knowledge. The system handles the heavy work and allows you to focus on your ideas. When you scroll down the homepage, YouArt AI presents a wide range of templates you can explore. These templates help you understand what is possible and give you ready-made structures you can replicate or customize for your own projects. To get started, tap the Sign In button at the top right corner. You will be taken to the sign-up page where you can register with your Gmail account. The process is quick, very simple, and does not require any credit card details. Once signed up, YouArt AI gives you a set of free credits so you can begin experimenting right away. As you can see, I am already logged in, so let us begin creating something remarkable. Now let me walk you through how I created the ad video you watched earlier using nothing more than a single prompt. To achieve that result, I simply gave the AI agent a clear instruction. My prompt was, create a 15-second product commercial for a fashion brand called Zeev, known for crafting professional ladies' suits. Show confident models in bright daytime street settings, showcasing a variety of Zeev's tailored suit designs. Ensure the brand logo is clearly visible on each suit, with smooth cinematic shots that highlight elegance, movement, and style. Once the prompt was ready, I clicked the Generate button. From that moment, the AI agent immediately began building the entire workflow on its own. As you can see, you have the ability to chat with your agent while it works for you. The agent begins by generating prompts for the images, then quickly produces several visual options for your product commercial using different camera angles and styles. On my screen, you can watch how I give it instructions and how it responds in real time, adjusting the workflow as it builds each part of the project. As you can see, it generated the prompts, images, arranged the structure, connected the motion nodes, and prepared the full sequence needed to produce a polished commercial. What makes this tool even more powerful is the balance it offers. It can operate completely on autopilot, handling the entire creative process for you, yet it also allows you to step in and guide it manually whenever you want. You can refine shots, adjust elements, and shape the final outcome while the agent continues doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. This combination of automation and creative control gives you an entirely new way to produce professional videos with ease. After the AI finished generating the storyboard using Nano Banana Pro, I gave the agent permission to move forward and create the actual video using SORA 2 Pro. This step usually takes just a few minutes because the system automatically handles all the rendering, motion settings, and scene transitions in the background. Once the process is complete, the final video appears in your workflow timeline, fully assembled and ready to view. As you can see, our commercial is now finished and prepared for playback. Let us go ahead and preview it.
Zeev, tailored for those who lead.
This is really impressive, and there is so much more you can create with this tool depending on how far your creativity goes. If you are not fully satisfied with the result, you can adjust your prompts and rerun the specific node you want to improve. You can also regenerate the entire workflow from the beginning if needed, although keep in mind that doing so will use additional credits. When you are ready to download your final video, simply click the 3 dots and select the download option. It is straightforward and quick. You can also expand your project by adding more nodes to your existing workflow. Just click the plus sign to insert new motion nodes, image nodes, enhancement nodes, or any other components you want to include. If you ever run out of credits, YouArt AI offers flexible and affordable pricing plans so you can continue creating without worrying about high costs. I will leave the link to this tool in the video description so you can try it yourself. Let me know what you think once you test it.